Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. I'm back again with some new releases out of Perth Mint. We've got the 1 kilo Kookaburra releasing today. The 10 ounce only came out last week, so they're releasing fairly close together this year. This is an unlimited mintage coin, but same as the story with the 10 ounce, which have arrived and we're now filling pre-orders by the way. They've left it quite late in the production year to get this coin out, so it would surprise me if they were able to do multiple runs of this coin. Also the same as the 10 ounce, last year's sales and mintage figures haven't been updated yet, but there was 5,261 made in 2021 and 13,665 made in 2020. This coin is one of the few releasing this time of year to not feature the memorial obverse of Her Majesty. This coin's design was done at the same time as the 1 ounce Kookaburra, which was done too soon after the Queen's death to feature a memorial obverse. This coin is going to be on pre-order, with stock hopefully arriving later this week, and I'll put the link down in the description for those. The other series we have releasing today is the 2023 Superpit, releasing in a variety of metal and sizes. We'll have these coming through in 1 ounce silver, gold, as well as the iconic 5 ounce gold as well. We've got an incredibly detailed design this year, and while I'm fairly confident of how it'll look on that bigger 5 ounce coin, it's going to be fairly interesting to see how these end up turning out on that smaller 1 ounce planchet. The gold ones are known for having the gold in them sourced from the Superpit itself, and we've seen a couple of different takes on the design over the last few years. These coins are also going to be on pre-order, and those links will be down below. Another thing I found interesting was some of the limits Perth has on these orders. The silver Superpits are limited to a tube per person, the gold 1 ounce to 1 per person, the 5 ounce to 5 per person, and the kilo cook is limited to 1 per person. If you wanted to pick these up without limits, head on over to bullionnow.com.au while stocks last. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.